Hi, I'm Simon from THEUnboxing, and today I'm going to show you the easiest way to put your custom pictures on your apps on your iPhone. So as you can see on the top, I have 4 apps which I made myself, custom apps, and it's very simple. It's a 3-step process. Three-step process. Yeah. So my phone is in Dutch, but I'm going to translate to English. You go into shortcuts on your phone and then you can press the plus button on the top, add a new shortcut, and you use scripts. After that, you select open app. Pretty easy so far. You select your app you want to open. So for example, let's use Instagram. Then you click next. Then you give this a name, Instagram. Okay. You can name it whatever you like. This is going to be the name that's going to be on your home screen as well below the app. Then the task is made. You click on the 3 buttons on the top of the task. Again, the 3 buttons next to Instagram. You put it on your home screen over here like that. You press that button. And then you can select, if you click the stack icon on the left over here, you can take a picture, you can choose a picture, or you can use a file. So for example, I'm just going to take a picture right now. So I shot a selfie, as you can see. So let's see if that's any good. So I'm going to use this picture like that and add this. Done. Now let's see my home screen, and it's over here. As you can see, I have the Instagram icon, which is now my face. So you can click this and then it goes to your Instagram, of course, as you can see, very fast, very neat, and works amazingly well. Now I made several. For example, this is my health over here with the office wallpaper, and I have the camera as well with a picture of me, which starts up the camera, as you can see. So if you want to style your phone a little bit and maybe make your own icons, this is a great way to do it and have your very personal style of icons of the main regular apps like Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter, for example. Of course, as you've seen, it goes into the Shortcuts app first and then launches the app, which for me is not that nice. I don't really like that. I just use the main apps. But for you, it might not be an issue. It only takes like about a second. So as you can see, I click this, 1 second, poof, and the camera app opens. So if you're really into the design apps and you really want to design your own apps, this won't probably really be a big issue for you, because you can design your own apps if you like. So pretty neat, pretty fun, and I've saw a lot of people do it on Twitter. That's why I thought, let's make a video about it so you know how to do it yourself. Right, I'd say if you learned something or enjoyed this video, please feel free to subscribe and like below, and I hope I'll see you in my next video.